Go anymore! Alin?
Should I go faster than that?
Eh, kasi nga, di ba depende naman sa film mo na sa
Oh, this is hard pa. Because I'm gonna do
Choose to light the way for my ever-wandering heart.
girls, ito, boys.
Because of who I am, but because of what you've done. Because of what I've done.
Good morning, Teacher Kichi. Good morning. How are you? Good morning, ma'am.
Morning, ma'am.
Wow, good morning, ma'am.
Oh my God, konti na.
Flower quickly fading. Here today and gone tomorrow.
Galing! Ano ba? Pupunta.
Morning, Teacher Kichi.
Wow! Ayan pala yun! Uy!
How are you today? It's been a while.
Yan.
Yeah! Wow! Beautiful! I love.
Pause, where will I pause?
Miss Kichi, ikaw na rin mag-operate yan. Or ano?
Sana.
Ikaw na.
Yeah, pause natin. Yeah, I will forward it
Yeah.
accordingly as long as it forwards. Okay. Good morning,
Si Bugoy.
Si Bugoy, naiwan niya yung, yung laptop niya.
Okay, kukunti na lang kayo. We have come to the home stretch of this competition. Ika nga.
Into the
Ito na, parang karera. Into the home stretch. Kukunti na lang kayo. Ngayon, ano ang objective natin? Objective natin is at this stage of the game, dapat nasa automatic na tayo. Naalala nyo yung una kong sinabi sa inyo? First lesson, learning the technique, we go through 3 stages.
Sorry.
Awareness, application, automatic. Bakit at this point dapat automatic na siya? Para mailabas nyo na lang laang lahat na hindi nyo inisip, dapat huminga ako na, dapat tama nga lang yung posture. Dapat hindi na naiisip yun dahil nagiging automatic at nagagawa nyo na lang para maging maganda yung interpretation ninyo. Now, I just want you to graphically point out, saan na kayo dito sa stage na to? Okay. Definitely, tapos na tayo dito, right? So, we're between this and this stage. So, I'll write it again. And I want you to graph here where you are. Ito na. Okay, automatic. Okay. Saan ka dito? Between here and here, saan ka? Sige, Bugoy. Lagay mo yung mark mo dito. Kung dito ka, o baka nandito ka na, lagay mo yung pangalan mo dito. Pero, kung dito ka, mark mo dyan. O kung dito ka, mark mo dyan. Sige. It's your personal assessment kung nasaan ka na dun sa... Ay, sticky.
Lagay mo pangalan mo tsaka arrow, Bugoy.
Oh.
Anong arrow?
Arrow, hindi. Lagay mo ng pangalan mo. Lagay mo yung dot lang. O, dot o line na ganyan. Nandiyan ka pa? Sige, Bugoy. One liit naman ng ano. Okay. Feeling mo nandiyan ka pa lang? Okay. Ikaw, Chris. Okay. Na Arnie. Nag-relaxation exercise na kayo, hindi ba? Okay lang. Could do it now. No problem. Okay. Miguel. Is something sticky? Dito sa...
Ay, may ano.
Aha. Okay. Then,